1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 da 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 ba 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 da da So, do you see that second part I played? Instead of doing a C sharp, a hard one, I did E flat, which is the cool trick that you can do with a song to make it easier to play. Okay, so what's up, Jooba People? Welcome to the lesson. This PDF you can download using the link in the description. It's got the little riff that they do in the beginning as well and that kind of thing. But I will go over all the parts as well in this video. Okay, so you can download the chords with the lyrics and everything. And let's get going. So the song is in the key of D minor, and it uses a very common chords in the key of D minor, except in the chorus it's got that C sharp there, which is really odd to use in the key of D minor. Very, very odd actually. Very, very odd. But it sounds really good, so it's quite a good song to learn. D minor, it's going to be your minor chord, and then you go to 5 major to the A. Now I played with these 2 fingers. I'll show you a close up of the chords. Let's quickly go there. As a matter of fact, D minor, I use with the pinky, and then you could go to this A if you want to keep your middle finger there. You could. But any A that works for you. You can even do an A7, which sounds really nice in the song. D minor, A, or A7. And then there comes an F in there. Now you could use the F bar chord, or you could use the F like this with the thumb on the bass if you want, or just muting. Okay, depends on you. And then the C sharp chord is going to be really tough. It's in the chorus. Oh no, not me. 4th fret. So you want to play this note as close to the fret as possible on this finger, put it as close to the fret as possible on and then mute the 1st string. And what I would do is I also with the index finger, it's slightly touching the E string so that it's muting that chord. But if this is too hard for you, you could take like your C/G shape, the C with the fat C, and play it on the 4th fret, and then it becomes an E flat, like this shape. But just remember to mute the high E string, otherwise that sounds. So you want to mute that. So oh no, not me. You see the idea? So or you could go oh no, not me. This is what Nirvana does. That guy. Okay, and then C, obviously you know C. Okay, and this is the basic structure of the song. So the pattern, the strumming pattern is this down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, then the minor chord progression is the key is D minor, so you want to play D minor before you start. And so on and so forth. 1 pattern per chord. Oh, 2 patterns per chord. Sorry, 2 patterns per chord. But you'll get that when you sing. And the chorus is basically just looping this progression. Oh, not me. So basically really nice. This is basically a borrowed chord from the key of F minor. So if you were to play F minor, you would have that major chord in there. Anyway, so that I can figure out that right now in the lesson. So that's it for the song. For the solo, you just go higher up with that thing. But the solo is some simple. You just go on that one string. You just watch the Dave Grohl, not Dave Grohl. What's the guy's name? Kurt Cobain. The video where he's playing live on MTV Unplugged there, and then you can figure out that solo. I'm not going to go through that here. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's the strumming, that's the chords, and let me just play while I've got the lyrics on here. I'm just going to play the verse. So the intro is going bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, dum, dum, dum. This is where the band comes in. We passed up on the stairs. Spoken word and oh, the tuning. One thing about the tuning I forgot to mention. It's an E flat standard, so you're gonna have to tune down your guitar one flat step. I didn't do that with this guitar because I didn't want to. But if you want to play along with the original, just tune to E flat standard. There's a bunch of videos showing you how to do that. Just say, how do I tune my guitar to E flat standard? And the way you write that is E with a small letter B. Okay, and then it will be E flat. Cheers. Have a nice day.